The main question is what is data cloud? So data cloud is the platform where we can ingest the data from multiple sources and we can make the unified profiles. So main uses of the data cloud is the unified the profile, and second use case is the Tableau next, and third use is the agent force, and fourth is the marketing cloud next. Marketing cloud next. So in the marketing cloud next, it is not directly connected, but in the marketing cloud next, they have given the AI capability. So there we can use the agent force and AI capability, which is completely depend with the data cloud. Okay. So to process the data in the data cloud, we have these options available. The first step is the data stream. From this option, we can ingest the data. So here we will see all the connectors, the which is connected, already connected. So currently it is connected with Salesforce CRM and Heroku. And if we have CSV file data, then we can upload through this CSV option. If we have completed development in any other org, data cloud org, from there also we can deploy the changes here using this option. And these are the connectors available. So if I disable this beta mode, so GA1, the generally available, these are the connectors. And if I enable the beta, so in the beta version, these are the connectors which is currently available in the data cloud. So from here, we cannot set up the connection. It is just providing the icon detail and database detail that these are the currently connector available. To set up the connection, we need to go in the data cloud setup. Here we have all the options available. So Salesforce integration, second is the external integration. If our data is available in the Salesforce CRMA and Marketing Cloud, Commerce Cloud, then we can set up the connections from here. In the external connection, we have this Snowflake website, API, and Private Connect and Other Connect. So in the Other Connect, we will be able to see all the connectors list. Okay, so these are the connectors which are available. If I select anyone from here, so then I need to provide the connection detail. Amazon S3. If I click next here, it is asking AWS access key and secret. Once I provide these detail, or I have the second option this, then this connection setup will be complete. We can click on test connection and save this connection. Then we will be able to see that connector here. From here, we can ingest it. So currently it is connected with Salesforce CRM. So here we have bundles option and object. If I need to ingest one by one all the object, then I can see the Salesforce CRM object 1025 currently available. If I need to ingest lead object, then simply I'll select and click next and can deploy in this data cloud. So data processing is like first step, the connection setup, then the data stream, then DLO, DMO. Once data is available in the DMO, then we can use the data in the unified that means identity resolution, create the unified profiles. Okay, and other places also, like if I need to use this data in the Tableau next also, we can use Tableau next, and also in the prompt builder, we can use these data even in the agent force also. But data should be available till here. Okay, so difference is in between DLO and DMO, data lake object and data model object. It store the data on temporary basis. It store the permanent basis. So to store the data on temporary basis, we need to select the data space. So if I show you here data space, you will be able to see all the data lake object which I have ingested. If I need to apply filter on data, if I have 2 million of data, if I don't need to ingest 2 million of data, let's suppose I need to ingest last 3 months data, 1 year data, or something like 50,000 records, then I can simply apply the filters here. Okay, so these options are available. So this is the complete UI of this one. If you search from here Data Cloud, you easily can search this Data Cloud application, and inside this these are the options which is available. So this recently they have launched this process content and the notebook AI. Notebook AI is not available here. Maybe next week that will be available, and we'll discuss about that one also. Any question till now? Any query? This one also not very old, but this is regarding to the policy creation. Policy creation means here we can define who one can see what data, what field, and what object. So here we can create the all the policies on behalf of that policies, the custom rules. Users can see the data. Let's suppose I belongs to India and someone belongs to US. If I create the policy defining some criteria, then that user will be able to see only US data and I'll be able to see only India data. So these kinds of rules that we can define here. Even the object level security also we can implement. If I don't want to show any object to that person, then I can implement this security. Or let's suppose 20 fields are available in one object, and I need to provide only 10 fields access to that person, that we can define from here. Okay, so here this Einstein Studio, Search Index, and the Document AI and Notebook AI. These are the all the AI capability options available currently in this. So we will discuss in this these AI things also, and second the trust layer, how it can protect the data, because in the agentic AI we are getting previously we were getting some challenge. Now the things has been changed, so they have given some security. Okay, so this is the URL you can check once, so that you will get the some idea about the agentic AI. Okay, so guys, do you have any idea about Data Cloud? Have you completed the certification and these? Okay, so I'm giving you this URL. This is consider this one first. Get developer edition. Using this, you will be able to activate your org. In that org, you will be able to see Agentforce and Data Cloud. Okay, only some details you need to provide: your first name, last name, company, and the region. Okay, once you provide, you will get the email on your email address and reset the password, and you will be able to. Some other trial org also available. If you are interested in other, you can activate from here, and that is valid for 30 days. Not the 30 days. If you will not use that org for 30 days continuously, then that org will not work. That will get expire, else it will continue until you use. Okay, so using this, you will be able to see, means you will be able to log into Data Cloud. If you are going to activate this Data Cloud in your company, then what you need to do, you need to search your user, and here we have option available: permission set, license assignment. Click on this and edit the assignment and search here for the Data Cloud. So this one is already enabled. By default it will be like this. So you need to enable this. Click on this checkbox and save it. Once you save it, you will be you will see some options here, Data Cloud options, but you will not see these options here. Okay, so next step is to give the this permission set. So first is permission set license. Second is permission set. Okay, so in the permission set, if you see, you will you will see left side that Data Cloud Architect. Yes, you need to select that and click on this arrow, add. It will be add in the right box, and click save, because this is already enabled. So by default, two permission set comes: Data Cloud Architect and the Data Cloud User. In the Data Cloud User, if you give this permission set to anyone, he can see all these Data Cloud things, but he cannot develop anything here. So only a developer This is for the developer, Data Cloud Architect. Once this activity is done, then you can search, you can click on this Data Cloud setup, and you will redirect on this URL. So this is for the Data Cloud complete setup. Here you will get the get started option. This is already completed. That's why it is showing all these things here. Okay, but you will see here get started button. Once you will click it, it will take 5 to 10 minutes to set up complete org, and once that is complete, then you will be able to do all the activity in this I mean in this org. Okay, any idea about agent force? Okay, perfect. So this is very nowadays this is in a high demand, and I'm saying to anyone everyone to learn this one also. I'll give you those who don't have the understanding about the agent force. I'll give you the demo and some detail I'll provide you whenever, that means whenever I'll start the session, first or two session, I'll start discussing about the agent force also. So agentic AI, this is available on most of the places. In the data cloud also, they are creating data cloud agent. Very soon that will be available in this data cloud. Even you are using the marketing cloud. Now they have changed the name of marketing cloud next, and they are giving the AI capability. Tableau also they have upgraded for the Salesforce, that is Tableau Next. There also the AI capability available. I'm saying on all the places you will see this agent force. This is the agentic AI or chatbot AI, you can say. So if I type something here, this is for the internal purpose. This is Copilot. Previous name was Copilot, but now the agent force. So if I do chatting with it, it can provide me the response. This is for the internal purpose. So the if I discuss about the use cases we can say, if I need to book the flight, I can book doing the chatting with this. If I need to get if I need to get the detail of my case, I can give the case number here. I can get the my case detail. If we set up here some authentication method, in that scenario it will send you one OTP, and you can submit that OTP. It will provide you the detail. And yeah, so I have some use cases also for this one agent force. If you are interested about this one also, then I'll give you that use cases also. Okay, so this is the connected with entire data, whatever is even it is available in the data cloud. We have agent force. Let's check this. Okay, this is the account object. Let me check the data which is available in this. Oh, let's check the unified individual we have, I think. It consider the that session memory, whatever you are saying, but it should provide the details. Okay, this is different question I asked. Data stream detail, which is
Mm,
refreshed today, and it is providing. But
mm.
if I'm asking, it should consider. It should not
Yeah, yeah,
take.
yeah.
Okay, so something means this weekend this challenge I have faced, because this is trial or something they plan to deploy something. How you are connecting agent to agent? Means we have three option: ACP, MCP, A2A. Okay, so Salesforce support MCP connectivity. Let's suppose I have one agent in the Microsoft. I can say Google agent space, or some SharePoint. I have created Copilot, Microsoft Copilot agent. I need to call that agent in the Salesforce. Then Salesforce support
We follow
MCP.
in the MCP, is it? Yeah.
Okay, perfect, great. You are doing great, and I really appreciate. That is the future. If you know the AI how to use in the platforms, then you can survive 7 to 10 years easily in IT. Okay, so that this is we were discussing about the agent creation. This option is available, and most of the website you will see these kinds of agent, so that you can search, you can get the detail from these agent regarding to, like, if you are not getting these services, good services from the Airtel, you can type your questions here. It will raise complaint, or it will give you the solution directly. So it can reduce the cost in the company. They don't need 100 people, they only need 10 or 5 people to handle the very high level escalations. Rest of the queries it can be resolved easily. So this is the AI chatbot, we can say, or the some agentic AI name we have given to this. Okay, so in the data cloud is the heart of agent force, as Salesforce has confirmed. And even we can create the unified profiles here. Unified profiles means, so suppose this is the user. She has created her profiles on different platform. Let's suppose you are the user. You have created one profile on Facebook, one profile on the Instagram, LinkedIn, or any other platform. If you have changed your name somewhere, you have mentioned Rohit, uh, Rohit Kumar. Some other places you have mentioned. So Instagram, you have mentioned Rohit Kumar. Facebook, you have mentioned uh, R. Kumar. And here contact number, you have provided something like this. And this is the email address which you have provided here. Here you have provided this Gmail address. And address also, you have provided something Delhi or Hyderabad. Here also Delhi, the complete building number. So how I can identify that you are the single user who has created the profiles on different platform. So we have identity resolution. There we create some rules, and using these rules we can match your profile, and we can identify that you are the single user. So why do we need this single user? The single user is required, like you are operating this one. You are on the Instagram and you search red tape jacket, and you clicked on that red tape jacket. And here also, once you come back on the Facebook, here also you check some advertisement. Here also you have clicked on that, and you are checking price and all these things. So these all the things companies track, and they will get in the scenario data from two sources. Okay, now it will come in two record, because both our name are changes. Okay, so two record will come here, and once this data will come in the data cloud, then we can identify this you are the single user, and single record will be available. Now we can target you, that you are quite interested in our product, so we can send you some email, some messages regarding to the offers and discount, so that you can purchase that product. Okay, so this is the complete thing, and let me discuss one more use case of this one. Let's suppose I'm running a restaurant. Okay, and I visited some trade fair, some place I went, and I saw some camp is available, and I visited trade fair, and there I saw one camp is available of the Zomato. And I discuss there that how I can become the member, what is the benefit, and how. So they will tell me the all the detail, and they will ask to fill out the form. Okay, so here you have filled the form. Now you come back to home and you visited on the website. There also you have filled form. Okay, so now we have data from two sources, and uh, we can take this data in the data cloud. We can unify your profile, and we can check what you have checked in our profile, our website, how many clicks you have done, everything, and they track in the company. You know, the all these things about these, like so many trackers are available. What pages you open, where did you visit, and where did you spend most of the times. So we have this detail. Okay, now we have single profile. We have the, you are the customer, you are quite interested in our product, and we can drop some messages, some calls to you to so that you can become our member, this Zomato member.
So this data cloud will provide this data mastering. Especially on the profile, I know there are profile and engagement data, like whatever you did, the you mentioned
Yes.
earlier, click and click stream. Those are all the ones is the different tabs, and you click on the one. So it's create as the golden record. Like you mentioned in your example, it has the multiple records is there. It may have the different ways. So will it create as the that unified profile? That means it is the golden record or
Yeah, so unified profiles means now we have different option, the golden record and all these thing, as you have seen the old test video, this, yeah, this one was the previous process. Okay.
in MDM process, generally in MDM, we
Yeah.
call as the that concept as the golden record is nothing but your final one best
Yeah.
combination
Yeah.
of the right. So
Yeah, so yeah, I'll tell you. So how you will see these profiles in the identity resolution, we define the rule set, and once the rule set are done, based on here we have some option. So let's suppose email. Okay, you have two different emails. Now, which one we should consider? Okay, last updated means whatever you have visited 4 days. Last time, which email address you used, that email you need to use for the campaign, or most frequent. I mean, you have two or three email address. One is you are using multiple times. Frequently, you are using that one. In that scenario, it will give you that email address, and this is the source priority. If data is coming from the Facebook and Instagram, then you can define from which source you need to take the data, Instagram
okay,
or
this
Facebook.
one is you are giving as the defining the ranking of that record wise. Which one you have to give the first preference based? Either it could be multiple scenarios use the same email ID or so it is doing as the this rules. You are defining these rules wise, right? Based on
Yes.
this one, it will create, right?
Yes. So any question till now? In the market, so many requirement are available for the data cloud, and most of the companies are looking for the data cloud architect. But this time the requirement they are changing. They are looking data cloud plus agent force developer. So better to learn both. I'll also give you some demos, some use cases, some I'll create some agent also, and the prompt builder also. Prompt builder also the part of AI capability which we use. But if you are planning to learn this agent force, then you need to prepare the flow and the apex, and you want to go some advanced level, then in that scenario, LWC you can learn. If you learn these two, that is fine. If you want to go some advanced level, then you can use this one. Okay, for the agent force, that is not the tough, uh, very easy to learn. I'll also show you this flow and Apex. It will take time. I'll try to give one demo on the Apex also, because to write the code, if you have.
No, no, just yeah, before this one on the data cloud wise, right? I have the few. I know probably you might be covering actual course wise, like you creating as the this pipelines, right? Like streaming or batch process or near real time or real time. These all. So is this tool is integrated any with the any enterprise scheduling tools, scale processing? Like if I'm creating as the this batch jobs wise. For example, I have to load as the data from the multiple systems wise, even in the profile creation profile, and because I might taking as the data from the different vendors wise, I might renting the data, or probably it I may customers profiles, I might be renting from the some company, or maybe I'm external vendor, I buying data from IQA or some of these different vendors wise. So if I have to processing this, you putting as a data lake and then doing as the data modeling object wise is the that is our kind of the data readiness for the consumption or downstream systems perspective. So these all batch process is there. So, but I have to run the 10 data process pipelines is there, but three or four pipelines completing, then I have to run the two pipelines after two, fourth and fifth run, the scheduling wise, right? So it can work with the any enterprise or
Yes.
any other
Yes.
tool scheduling, or just this one is the how to, the reason I'm asking, I know if some data refreshed in the this cloud wise, I might have some other application. I'm pulling data from the Salesforce cloud to integrate this data set into the other application wise. That time I might be putting data refresh after the year data cloud data refresh completed, then put as the dependency. This one immediately pull the data from here and integrate with that application, whatever has to process. So how it will work on the scheduling in here?
So we have both the option if data is coming from the external source, incremental and full refresh. To prioritize the things directly that is not available here in the data stream, but in this segmentation we have available. We can prioritize which one will run first and which one will last. And here data streaming also available. If you need to stream the data, if you don't have the best data, that we need to set up the connection. But for now, I don't have the other connector, only Salesforce CRM and Heroku. I'll give you all the means use
Oh,
cases and all thing on these two databases. Okay, if you have, then you can share your screen. I'll tell you how you can do. Okay, so this is the Einstein Studio. This is also very, very important. Here we have models available, all the models. This is mainly for AI, GPT, and these are some models which is available from the Salesforce side. If some your company has purchased some other models, you can add using this add foundation model. You can click on this one and you can connect that model after providing some details here. Connect your LLM. So if I click next on this one, here I need to provide some details and I will be able to see that model. And here some prediction and all these things we also can do. So prediction model, if I need to add, these are the option, and this is for the prediction. So binary model, regression, and multi-class models are available here to do the predictions. This is the library. This is just same thing. We can see some customization if we are
okay.
doing from.
This instance that today it has the both ML and Gen AI related wise,
Yes,
right? Okay.
yes.
Okay.
Okay, then perfect. Okay, then thank you everyone.